So I just got this question yesterday. Someone wanted to know exactly what a covered accident meant and how that could actually help you in the time of need when you need to actually use the MCA membership. So let's go over that. And before we get started, don't forget when you join my team, you're given a free training course. It's going to walk you through step by step exactly how I've been able to build a team of well over 2,000 people. And you're given my free marketing system that's valued at over $100 a month. But of course, you get it free of charge. And don't forget, you're going to be given on-demand support from this guy. You can call me, text me anytime you need assistance. So here's the website. Once you're ready to join, all you have to do is go to workwithjustin.biz. So once you're ready to join, you know who to call. Ghostbusters. Okay, so let's use this benefit as an example, the emergency reimbursement benefit. It says if you go to the emergency room as a result of a covered accident, you can receive up to $500 with up to $100 payout for each of the following. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you what a covered accident means when it comes to MCA specifically, and then I'm going to show you examples. Okay, so this right here is part of the transcript of me messaging one of the live agents at MCA through the live chat on their website, and they said basically anything that wasn't your fault is considered a covered accident. So as an example, something that's not a covered accident would be a migraine, because a migraine is something that you cannot control. It is part of your bodily function. Even if it happens on accident, it's something that your body does and you cannot control yourself. So here would be an example of an accident that would be considered a covered accident. So here it is, a car accident. You cannot be in control of a car accident if it wasn't your fault, but if it was your fault, then you most likely will not be able to use the service for that specific situation. But in this case, if it wasn't your fault, if somebody rammed into you and you were following the rules, you were driving, on a straight line, you weren't swerving, then you are perfectly okay, and the service will be able to help you that way. But of course, like I always tell people, if you're not sure if something is going to help you, if you're not sure if MCA can help you during a certain time in a situation you're going through, all you have to do is pick up your phone, give MCA a call, and just ask them the question, hey, can you help me in this situation? And they will help you out and answer your questions and let you know, okay, yes, we can help you here, or no, we can't help you here. At the end of the day, it just varies based on the situation, so make sure you call and don't just rely on what somebody tells you. And don't forget, the part that says covered accident, that applies to any benefit within the MCA service that says covered accident. As long as it wasn't your fault and you didn't have control over it, the service will be able to help you out for that specific benefit. Alright guys, that's about it for me. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm dead tired. I'm going to go to bed. Don't forget, leave a big fat like. It lets me know you guys appreciate the free content and keep providing you guys. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. I checked the analytics of my back office and it says 75% of you that watch my videos aren't even subscribed. So do me a big favor. You guys want to see my videos anyway, so just hit the big fat subscribe button so you can stay notified every single time I go live on YouTube and give you guys free training or when I just upload a regular video. Other than that, take care guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.